Alrighty. Hopefully none of you join me on this. It's supposed to be a live unlisted. I think it is. So if I see anyone join, I'll have to close it. But at any rate, good morning. Today is the 12th, I believe, of November 2023. Just getting in a little training thing for you guys to see. So what we're going to go over and do is this. You're currently looking at different possibility of trades. My brother called this trade very early on yesterday, and so did our signal that we're working on to get it for you guys. So what we're looking at is this right here. And yep, perfect. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me and all that. Now look, we had several different things going on. We have US 30, boom, right here. US 30, boom, right here. These are your, there's a 1 hour over here on the right, 4 hour over here on the left. And what you're looking at is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on US 30. And what you're looking at is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on NAS. And what you're looking at is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on US 30. So what I'm always asked is, oh, I should have kept all those open too. My options would have been so much money. Oh, well, could have, would have, should have. But I made shit ton on these other knockouts. I got to show you what I did. So anyway, so these are what you're looking at. Well, when you look at these 1 hour, 4 hours, let's just take US 30, for instance. This US 30, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. How do we know it's a buy stop? Well, we come over to here. We see number one on our sniper. Blue line's high on the sniper. Number two, blue line's low on the 1 hour sniper. Right here, 1 hour, 4 hour. Then we come over here. Is there a pink line down low? There is. Number four, is there a buy stop? And boy, is there a buy stop. There's a broken Bach versus a non-broken Bach, which is worth 1 million. I sound like Austin Powers. Non-broken, green, 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 broken into red. Buy stop, place it on the yellow line, I always would, or the red line, depending on how you want to enter. And it's a buy stop. You're in the money here. You're in the money also on NAS. And you're in the money on SPX. Well, earlier, when you look at these trades, if you come over here, you can also see, because you're supposed to, whoops, careful, hold on. I'm going to have to take these off. Yeah, this one too. Wait, am I in this buy? Oh, I'm in this buy. Ho, 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 ho. See, I was doing all my morning stuff. I got to lock these in. Matter of factly, hold on 1 second. Let me lock in these. I have a SPX, a US 30. NAS. I think I have two of these, actually. Okay. All right. So going back to it. When you look at US 30 1 hour, but if you go down to the 15-minute, there's these sell stops that had formed. And everyone always asks, which time period rules? The 15-minute or the 1 hour, the 1 hour, 4 hour? Well, the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hours always rule. So if it's a 15-minute sell stop, but you can see here, this wasn't a complete sell stop. So the very first time the blue had arched up against it right here, you could see the opposite formation had transpired right here. And then this had arched up against it, and there's a sell. The very first time is the best time. So you can clearly see that this sell made money. It made 77 pips, okay? That doesn't take away from the fact that this is a buy stop now on a 1 hour, 4 hour, which is correct. You can clearly see the difference now. Look, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, which is a buy, and it's all green over here. So this buy had to win out and come up today, tomorrow, whenever it was going to do it. But that's the difference. This right here, look, this is US 30 1 hour. Green, 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 red, green, green, again, a red, red, sorry, against a green, green, non-broken Bach. So this is a non-Bach break versus a Bach break, and that's 1 million indicators up, and you're in the money. How much? I don't know, whatever this is to here. 48 pips, okay? But if you go back and look, was there a problem, meaning was there a 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop before then? Absolutely there was. You can see it was high, low, high, red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop. Well, but it's a sell stop, and this is the sniper, and it works, blah, blah. Look over here. It's green, 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 red, green, green. You see the difference? So you can't play. The first time's always the best. You would have made money. Sure, absolutely. But the better trade would have been to wait. See, even though it's a sell stop here again. But after that first time, you have to start looking at that 1 hour, 4 hour. Your entry should have been off the yellow. Boom, up it went, and then you're up 40, 50 pips. This exact same scenario right here on NAS, the exact same thing. 1 hour, 4 hour, okay, 1 hour right here. This is a buy stop with a Bach break. You're in the money again, somewhere around here. You're up about 30 pips. At the same time, the 15-minute 1 hours were a sell stop, right? Sell stop, and it went down and you made money the very first time. The problem comes in, this wasn't a sell stop on the 1 hour. It was green, 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 red, green, green. Let's take a look at SPX. The same exact thing happened for SPX. Look. So now let's look at SPX 1 hour and 1 hour, 4 hour. The 1 hour, 4 hour, green, 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 red, green, green against a non-Bach break is in the money. You could enter it off the 4 hour line on this one because it dipped below the yellow, which would have been a better entry for you like I did right here. And then you'd be up how many ever pips. See it? So it's green, 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 high, low, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. Now look at it on the 15-minute. 15-minute 1 hour. Did it work? Well, let's see. Blue line dipped down. It arched up, not as good. You see our sell stop right here. Blah, blah, blah. There it is. There it goes down, right? So this is a first time down. That's your best time. Why didn't it go down the second time? Why didn't it go down the second time? Because there was a 1 hour, 4 hour that had to play out, and that's what you're seeing now. So do you see that? Now, I avoided all that, and I'm going to show you, oh my gosh, I made $400 again on those fucking knockout options. I went over to gold. This is like 3:30 in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning. I went over to gold, and I said, hey, gold on the 1 hour right here and gold on the 4 hour right here is a beautiful sell stop too. Boom, 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 boom. But now I'm going to go back down on the gold and see if there was any contradictory. There's the 1 hour. There's a 30-minute sell stop. You see it? Here's a 15-minute sell, well, non-buy, 15-minute sell, 5-minute sell, and 1 minute sell. So gold didn't give me any contradictories like US 30, NAS, and SPX did. So when I looked at US 30 on the 1 hour and I saw it, that it was a buy, but then as I went over here, I saw that it was a possible sell. Then I saw a sell on a 30-minute, and I saw a sell on a 15-minute. Then back here, I saw a sell on a 5-minute. Well, there was contradictory. When I went over to gold on the 1 hour, 4 hour, there was no contradictory. It was a 4 hour here. There was a 1 hour here, 30-minute sell, 15-minute sell, 5-minute sell, and so on. So there wasn't, back then when it happened, there was no contradictory plays for my 1 hour, 4 hour. So I took out what's called knockouts on Nadex. I took out 5 of them. And it was amazing. As this initial drop, actually this first drop right there, that big long candle, I made on 5 options $400 with total safety. And I wasn't even in on the right time. It was already down here a little bit. That's the power of that. So I just want you guys to learn that there is a correct way to read these charts. What forms first? What's for the 15-minute or the 1 hours, blah, blah, blah. They both form, but the 15 minutes would be first. Okay? And these are my trades I have going at the moment on those particular buys. Those were in this morning. Those are my trades. Matter of fact, I'm going to close this one down. I'm going to close down one of my US 30s. I'm going to leave the SPX and the one of my US 30s, one of my SPX. One of my NAS is open right here. And that's it. And I let them run and let them have fun. And that's it. And those are my trades. So I hope that helped you all. I hope you understand this, can hear this. And this should be a very, very, very educational video for you. Okay? So God bless. Enjoy your day and your weekend, and hopefully I'll see you all Sunday. God bless.